भी फैंस माने निजर जो फेवरेट प्लेयर होचंती तांको फोटो को धरिकी अपेक्षा करिसंती अर्थात क्रिकेट प्रति समानकर केते भल पाइबा रहिछि ये गोटे आपण जेमति कहिले ये गोटे स्मरणीय मुहूर्त काहे किना निजो ना रे जेतेबेले भारत 4टी विश्वकप करिछि 1983 2007 2011 रे वनडे वर्ल्ड कप जीतिथिला प्रथम टीम भाबरे अपराजय रही T20 विश्वकप जीतिछि भारत ये गोटे तार ए मोमेंट आमे कहि परिबा आहुरी स्मरणीय करबा को फैंस मानकर भिड़ बोली कह जाय परिबा कि दीपक
जो दर्शक मैंने जो मैंने फैन अच्छा से समस्त चाहती निज निजर मोबाइल फोन रे ए वीडियो को कि जो स्मरणीय मुहूर्त को कैद करेंगे तो समस्त अपेक्षा कर टीम इंडिया विमान बंदर पहुंचब ता परवर्ती मुहूर्त में
किछि प्रतिक्रिया आसूची आम निश्चित भाव में दर्शक मान को सुनाइबा कहीं दीपक जिते माहौल को भली भाव रही समस्त उत्साहित
तो सब लोगों में उत्साह आपको दिखाई दे रहा है तो हमको भी बहुत खुशी है। टीम इंडिया अभी आ रही है। मेरा मुंबई का राजा रोहित शर्मा। यस
To me, I think it's about 1.4 billion fans, and we were waiting since very long. We were reaching each and every knockout of each and every ICC trophy, but we were just lagging behind. We were not able to just cross that thin line. But this time, the Rohit Sharma and the company, they have done it, and we are very proud of them. And let's say Mumbai chala ja Rohit Sharma, India chala ja Rohit Sharma. And the main thing I want to say that everyone was talking about Virat Kohli's form, that he is not scoring runs, but the main man has scored the big thing and the big guns fired in the big finale, and I think we all are very proud of him. And that's it. Mumbai chala ja Rohit Sharma, India chala ja Rohit Sharma. And Virat Kohli, we love you so much. We love you, man. We know that you two guys have retired, but it is a big farewell from us, and it cannot be bigger than this. That whole crowd is eagerly waiting for us. We are all waiting for you since 3 p.m. It's already 3 hours. We are waiting for you, man. Come here and we want to see you guys.
The fans are super excited. They want to see their favorite player. They want to see the Mumbai Charaja, Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, Jasprit Bumrah, Hardik Pandya. The wait is getting longer for them, but they are not leaving. They are here. Sir, how excited are you for this event?
I'm very excited. From my bachpan se I'm waiting for India to lift the cup. I've given the sport so much. It's for me like a religion for me. It's like a god for me, the sport. I was very emotional. I literally cried on the final day. I can't just wait to let them come here.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Just want to say the very famous Urdu शायरी खुदी को इतना कर बुलंद कि खुदा अपने उस बंदे से पूछे बोल तेरी रजा क्या है. It was a great day for us, a glorious triumph, and it's a revenge for World Cup that we had faced. A great congrats to Team India and all of Indians. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. India.
They're trying to express their happiness in every way possible, be it a shairi, be it their chants and everything. But Rohit and Kohli won't play another T20 World Cup, which will happen in India 2 years down the line. How do you see that?
That's a heartbreak for I think every Indian fans. But that's how you know that each and every player leave their legacy behind. Just like Sachin sir did, just like Dada did, just like the bowlers like Srinath and Kumble and Venkatesh Prasad did. But the best thing is Sachin retired after he gained the World Cup. And the best time for Rohit Sharma and the Virat Kohli that they're retiring after achieving that silver trophy in our hand. They were very heartbreak that the last year we couldn't get to the finals. But when we see that the crying faces, the big men were crying on that day in Ahmedabad, that it is the best thing, that the best thing about the time is it changes. Yes. And that is changed for us. That the game was almost gone through our hands. But thanks to Bumrah and company, the Pandya, and I must show that the Hardik Pandya, we love you boy, we love you very much. We know that the last 6 months were very crucial for him, very bad he was going around, but now he has proved himself, the whole Indian team has proved himself, and we are very proud of you boys. Just come and we are waiting for you to see you. Yes!
India! Well, the excitement is here, it's definitely here. But if I tell you, if you are given a chance to give a message to Rohit or Kohli, what do you have to say to him?
I think I'd wish him a very happy retirement. And as you can see,
the Indian team are coming and the sun has shown up. So
It's a reason again on
it's a
India.
very-
It's a very
proud
proud
moment
moment for
for-
us and whole India, and we are happy to be here and celebrate it with them.
Which is your favorite memory from the World Cup? There were a lot of matches, Pakistan game, Australia game,
Kumar
final.
catch.
I think the Surya Kumar catch, the Surya Kumar catch
in the
was
final.
deciding.
I think that was the one which
It's all It's always a whole bunch of all the players coming in here, and the very favorite incident which I saw at the last World Cup is the Surya Kumar shot. The way he had just catched it up, the way he had just balanced it, and apart from that, the way he had just mental stability which he has, and apart from that, very crucial is the captainship of Rohit Sharma. One of the very greatest player we have got in India after Sachin Tendulkar, after Virat Kohli. I'm really proud of it. Thank you so much.
That he was heartbroken. The India was exit in the first round, and all the big mans were crying that time. And now, the same venue, the same country, he has got the World Cup in his hand. And if you see the video that when the Virat Dravid held that World Cup in his hand, we can see that he was just shouting like a small baby. So that what mean to us, to us, and the whole country. We are very proud of you, Rahul Dravid. We are very proud of you.
It is just not a game for all of India. It's just an emotion. That's why all the people here are
It's a
gathered.
religion in India.
Absolutely, the gathering here
Themselves
tells
wanna
you.
give heart and soul to this game.
Yeah, the
For
gathering
this
here
game was
tells you the
everything.
love that fans have for the team. And Jasprit Bumrah, one message for Jasprit Bumrah.
Jasprit Bumrah is boom boom Bumrah. I just want to say, if God doesn't exist, I have saw Bumrah. I have saw the godliness in Bumrah. I have saw the spark in Bumrah. The way he had just played it. I'm just really proud of it, man. He had just got that solitariness.
Thank you.
ଆପଣ ଶୁଣୁଥିଲେ କୋଉଳି ଭାବରେ ଫ୍ୟାନ୍ସ ମାନେ କେତେ ଉତ୍ସାହିତ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ନିଜ ଫେଭରେଟ୍ ପ୍ଲେୟରଙ୍କୁ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରିଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ଝଲକ ଦେଖିବାକୁ କାହିଁକି ଚଳିତ ଟି20 ବିଶ୍ୱକପ୍ରେ ଭାରତ ଦକ୍ଷିଣ ଆଫ୍ରିକାକୁ ହରାଇ ଟ୍ରଫି ହାସଲ କରିଛି ଯେଉଁଥିରେ ପ୍ରମୁଖ ଭୂମିକା ରହିଥିଲା ହାର୍ଦ୍ଦିକ ପାଣ୍ଡ୍ୟାଙ୍କର ଯେଉଁ କଥା ହାର୍ଦ୍ଦିକ ପାଣ୍ଡ୍ୟାଙ୍କ କଥା ମଧ୍ୟ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ଯଦିଓ ଏଇଟା ରୋହିତ ଏବଂ ବିରାଟ କୋହଲିଙ୍କ ଆଉ ଆଗକୁ ଦେଖିବେ କି ଖେଳିବେ ନାହିଁ ଟି20 ଖେଳିବେ ନାହିଁ ଏବଂ ଗୋଟେ ଭଲ ଗୁଡ୍ ରିଟାୟାରମେଣ୍ଟ ବୋଲି କୁହାଯାଉଛି ହାପି ରିଟାୟାରମେଣ୍ଟ ଯାହା ଫ୍ୟାନ୍ସ ମାନେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ତ ଇଏ ଗୋଟେ କିଭଳି ଭାବରେ କ୍ରେଜ୍ ରହିଛି ଏବଂ पूरा टीम इंडिया को झलक देखा आहरी देखा कि उत्साहित करने को समस्ते हजार हजार फैंस भिड़ रही जिते हार्दिक पांड्या कथा कहवा हार्दिक पांड्या इतिहास रचिंट प्रथम भारतीय भाव में टी20 फॉर्मेट नंबर 1 ऑलराउंडर होती पांड्या श्रीलंकार वनिंदु हसरंगम को पछरे पकाई आईसीसी रैंकिंग रे प्रथम स्थान अधिकार करिसेंती हार्दिक पांड्या जो बॉलिंग स्टाइल थिला ताहा समस्ते देखि एथर आश्चर्य हो जाइछन्ती कहीं हार्दिक पांड्या फॉर्म रे अछन्ती नाही ताकू नेकी फॉर्म को नेकी प्रश्न उठुला चलित टी20 विश्वकप रे प्रदर्शन किंतु बेस